Welcome, citizens of Solana. Pick up your wallets, we're heading to Jupiter, the most advanced decentralized exchange within the Solana ecosystem. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use all of the features on Jupiter Exchange. As Solana has become the go-to DeFi network, I thought it would only be right to show you how to use the popular exchange known as Jupiter. So, welcome back again. I'm Theo, a content creator for the Alt Crypto Talk team. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose, and use a burner wallet if you feel more comfortable. Be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptogens for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. My friends, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so we've landed on the Jupiter space station. This is the official Jupiter website known as station.jup.ag. Don't worry, I'll leave all the official links down below. And this is just basically tells you all about Jupiter Exchange, tells you it's the ultimate centralized exchange replacement, all on the Solana network. So what we're going to do is, guys, we're going to go to the top right corner where it says launch app. And as you can see, we've got a few features here. We've got the swap feature, limit order, DCA, which is dollar cost average, bridge, and perpetual. Now, perpetual is a bit more for the experts, but let's start off with the simple one known as swapping, which we mostly want to do. But before we get started, guys, we're going to need to have a Phantom wallet, which is the most popular Solana wallet. You're obviously going to need to have Solana tokens, as obviously that is the network token that you're going to need to have to interact with decentralized applications and obviously be able to perform transactions. Now, all gas fees are going to be paid out with Solana tokens. Obviously, you should know that already, and you will not be able to do anything without Solana tokens. So it's very important that you've set up a Phantom wallet and you've got Solana. If you don't know how to do that, I will leave a video in the description below, which shows you a full easy tutorial on how to set up and use the Phantom wallet. Now, moving on, we're going to connect our wallet, our Phantom wallet, and we have to do that by going up to the top right corner, clicking connect wallet. I'm going to be choosing Phantom. You can choose MetaMask with its new Snaps ability. However, we want to use the Phantom wallet purely as that is the best native Solana wallet. And I've already got it set up and it is my preference. So clicking Phantom, connect wallet. And as you can see, I've connected my wallet. Shows me all my tokens, which is great. And what we're going to do is, guys, we're going to swap some tokens. So as you can see, the top one is Solana and the bottom one is the token I want to get. Now, I can swap other tokens in my wallet, say if I want to swap my USDT into another token. However, assuming that we've only got Solana in our wallet, I'm going to swap some of my $72 worth of Solana into another token. And what token I'm going to choose, as we can see, we've got Bonk, USDC, Orca, Silly Dragon, Honey, Mobile, so many different tokens. Let's just say I get myself USDT as I've already got some and I want to swap into some more. And it is a very popular choice to swap into. Now, let's just say I did 0.15. I'm going to get $14.7 worth of USDT, which I click swap. It's going to show me all the fees, so you can see that is a ridiculously low network fee, basically nothing, and it is costing me 1 cent to swap from Solana into USDT. As you can see, $14.72 worth is $14.71 worth of USDT, which is absolutely superb, and that is costing me basically nothing. Now, once we open up our wallet, we'll see that, look, already 17.63 USDT. If we go into Phantom, scroll down, we can already see that it's gone into our wallet. Super speed, guys. That is both the network working at its best and the Jupiter Exchange. Now, that is exactly how you would swap tokens. Say if you want to swap back into Solana or swap into another token, I would go to USDT, choose another token. Let's just say I swapped it all into USDC. I would click max, I click swap, or however much that you want to swap. So we click confirm. And obviously, guys, we're going to need to have Solana to be able to conduct that transaction. No matter what transaction it is within this network, you're going to need to have Sol tokens. So you can see that obviously we've now got our USDC tokens instead of USDT. That is all gone. Now we've got our USDC, and instead we can now swap our USDC into another token, or we can hold it in our wallet. It's completely up to you. However, what we can do now is, guys, we can show you another feature. Let's just show you limit order, for example. So looking at the chart right now, we can see that Solana is at $98.11. or $98.20 as it says here. However, say if I want to buy or sell Solana at a certain price, or say if it was $97.50 that I want to buy it at, I would go down here and I would choose exactly how much I want to do it for. Or if I want to sell it for a certain price, say if I want to sell it at $100, I would just set it at $100. And it is very simple. You would just do it as simple as that. You can flip it around so you can sell it at a certain price, or you can buy it at a certain price, all by changing this little button and clicking place limit order. So let's say I sell 0.03 of my Sol and I want to sell at 98.50, and that would literally just mean when Solana hits $98.50, I would literally sell my $3 worth of Solana. So you can choose the expiry as well. So say if it was an hour, a day, 10 minutes, whatever it is, I'm just going to choose none. So just click never. So I'm going to click place limit order. It's almost hit that price as well. It could basically do straight away. So in a second, it will confirm the transaction. Bang, that has been done. And as you can see down here, we've got an open order of 0.03 Sol, which is $3. Once it hits $98.50, it's going to close the trade. However, it hasn't hit $98.50. But if you want to finish it, guys, and you just don't want to do this trade anymore, you go to where it says action, click close. In your Phantom wallet, it will come up with a little pop-up, and you just click confirm. It will simply close the transaction, and your assets will go back into your wallet. Now, that is simple how to use the limit order. Jupiter Exchange really makes trading easy. On a centralized exchange, guys, there's all these hundreds and thousands of different buttons, making it confusing for people like me who isn't an advanced trader. However, we've now done that, guys. We've learned how to do that. We've learned how to use the limit order and the swap feature. Next up, we can do the DCA feature, which is awesome. Which is basically your set and forget mechanism. Say you want to buy a certain asset every single day. You would go to this little to buy section over here, and you would choose the asset that you want to dollar cost average into every day, every week, or depending on how often you want to buy this asset. Now, say this asset happened to be Radium. I would click Radium. I could choose every day over a 7-day period, or every hour over a 7-day period, or every week over 7 weeks, or for example 9 weeks. It's up to you. And then you would choose simply whether you would like to allocate Solana, USDC, or whatever asset to buy this asset. And obviously I have USDC or Solana to buy this asset. So say if I did Solana, now obviously I could do 0.5 Solana to allocate, which is $50 every single week over the next 9 weeks. And basically that would just simply allocate 0.5 Solana into Radium and do the swap for me without me having to go into my wallet and click swap and wait for the right time to buy. We can allow the Jupiter Exchange to dollar cost average into certain assets for us, allocating any amount that you like. Obviously, there are minimum amounts. I think it's $5 or a US dollar per day, something like that. However, just work it out. If this is something of interest, then great. However, myself, I like to do things manually, so I will not be doing this, but it is very simple to use. And I think it is a great option for many people who don't have the time to just keep buying every single week or every day, or simply every hour or minute. Now, what we're going to do is, from here, guys, we're going to move on to the next feature, which is known as the bridge. And the great thing is you can transfer assets from Ethereum and EVM compatible networks, which most of us happen to come from. And obviously, if you check your MetaMask wallet, you can see that we've got Ethereum, Linear, ZK-Sync, Polygon Base, OPBNB Arbitrum, BNB Chain, Polygon, ZKVM, Scroll, and so many more. And the thing is, what you can do is you can transfer assets. Say, for example, I go to this one and I just want to transfer assets over from Arbitrum 1 and I want to transfer my USDC. I could transfer 100 USDC from Arbitrum to Solana, and it will show me all the bridge routes and the cheapest ones and fastest ones available. We've got the all bridge call, which takes 24 minutes and we'll get $99.36. So basically we'll pay 63 cents worth of fees. Or we can use the D bridge, which takes 1 minute, but we'll pay $1.36 in fees. Now, that is excluding the gas fees. However, that is the fees from the platform. And you have a couple options, which is great. Or you can use the wormhole. And the wormhole is also an airdrop that we've been covering in our airdrop guides. And I would highly recommend doing that. And all you have to do is, guys, connect your wallet from either Wallet Connect or MetaMask, which we have one or the other. We can choose MetaMask, for example. Click next. And then over here, you would just choose your Phantom wallet. And then you would just choose how much you would like to bridge over. You can choose your network, which only happens to be Ethereum at the moment. Sadly, as we can see, Wormhole is in beta on this platform, so we can only choose the Ethereum mainnet, and you can choose either Ethereum, wrapped Ethereum, or wrapped Bitcoin. Now, obviously, it's going to go over to your Solana network, and you can do it vice versa. If you want to choose your asset from Solana, you just go to Ethereum, wrapped Ethereum or wrapped Bitcoin, and then bridge it over to the Ethereum network using the Wormhole bridge, all on Jupiter Exchange. Now, it might be better, obviously, just to use the comparator. Obviously, if you don't want to use the Ethereum mainnet for the gas fees, then that is fine, and you can just use other networks. And there are also alternative third-party bridges. But for now, guys, let's move on. You know how to use the bridge, the DCA, the limit order, and the swap so far. Moving on to the final one, known as Perpetual. And like we said, this is the final one, Perpetual Trading. This is degen and earn. And like I said, you're going to need to have some skills to be able to do this. I am not one for longing and shorting the market, as I am not an experienced trader and I do not understand patterns and charts that well. However, if you do want to learn about trading, then you can watch Jules' videos that he does make. He's always teaching you about trading and everything that you need to know about trading. So as you can see here, guys, is the Solana chart, we've got the ETH chart, and we've got the wrapped Bitcoin chart. And obviously, guys, we can long and short any one of these, and we can do it paying with either Solana, USDC, Radian, USDT, or whatever we want. Now, the great thing is that it makes it very simple, even for people like me who don't know how to trade. And it is as simple as long going up and short the price going down. Now, if, for example, I was going to long it, I'll just click this long button. I would just say 0.1 Solana, which I'm paying with. That's my size of the long. I'm obviously trading Solana right now. And right now, say if I just did an 8x leverage, my liquidation price would be insane. However, what you can do is you can leverage up to 100x, guys, which is absolutely nuts. If you're the sort of trader that loves leverage, then obviously this is the platform for you. Now, I'm not going to be doing any trading because I'm not that clued up on it, like I said, but you can simply long and short the market with up to 100x leverage on assets such as Solana, Ethereum, and wrapped Bitcoin. Obviously, guys, you have to understand all the risks involved, understand liquidation risks, understanding everything with leverage and shorting and longing the market is very important. If you don't know how to trade perpetually, then leave this alone. But another thing that is also coming soon, guys, and is not available right now because it is at its maximum peak, is the JLP Pool. And this allows us to earn generated fees from the platform, and 70% to be precise. So if you own JLP, you get 104.21% APR. But as you can see here, guys, it says the pool has reached its AUM limit. New funds are not accepted at the moment. Soon we will be able to generate some more fees from this platform and earn some APR and basically earning a delicious passive income. Guys, the Jupiter Exchange is also doing an airdrop, just to let you know if you didn't know that at all. They have already allocated certain tokens for its community. If you have been a Solana user for the last few months, I'm sure you will be eligible for the airdrop. The eligibility and claim page will be live very soon. Don't fall for any scams and only watch out for the official Jupiter website or Twitter page. Now, obviously that goes without saying, you can join their official Discord. Just check out their official socials and it will be there. Also, guys, you can watch out for our social pages. I'll let you know once the Jupiter airdrop is live, and we'll be making a short video once it is. I believe I'm getting 200 Jupiter Exchange tokens known as JUP. This is the Jupiter green paper. As you can see, JUP is the governance token. JUP is not live yet. Please be aware of fake tokens. So guys, please be very cautious. Like I told you, just only look out for official links from the Jupiter Exchange social links. Here it tells you everything about the JUP token. So you can see the mission for the JUP token once it's launched. You can see the initial supply of tokens once the proposed allocation will be as follows: 40% community growth, 4 rounds of airdrop distribution, fantastic, 20% locked token sale, and 40% team and strategic reserve, which will be vested. There'll be 3 parts to the launch phases: the community airdrop, the growth airdrop, and the locked token sale. So that'll be absolutely fantastic. We'll see a few airdrops from Jupiter Exchange, so you probably won't miss your chance if you miss the first airdrop. So, initiating a 2-week consultation period for airdrop mechanics. Traditionally, the mechanics of airdrops are literally determined by the team, with the community subsequently informed of the decision. This often leaves limited scope for discourse or community input. In our quest to foster a more collaborative ecosystem, we are opting for an alternative approach where the community plays an integral role in shaping the mechanics of the upcoming airdrop. This green paper does not lay out the specifics of the airdrop criteria. Instead, starting from today, we are initiating a 2-week consultation period during which we invite open dialogue and contributions from all community members. We want to devise a plan that resonates with the values of the community so that we can own this journey together and be proud shared owners of JUP. Now, just to briefly show you guys, on this perpetual trading bit, you can go up to the top here and click Perpetual is in beta, give us your feedback. If you click that and you put in your wallet address and your email address and you choose the category of which you helped and you show a screenshot, I believe this will help you qualify for the airdrop. Obviously, as you can see, they are looking for support and it could possibly give you JUP tokens for that feedback. But going down here, as you can see, for the first round of community distribution, we propose an airdrop for existing users and community members to reinvigorate the community and give everyone a stake in the JUP and Solana. Given that 955,000 users have used Jupiter before, this will be one of crypto's biggest organic airdrops. As it has been a very challenging and often painful year, we suggest prioritizing users who have been consistently part of Jupiter and Solana throughout the whole time, especially the most bearish times. Superb. In the growth airdrop phase, we will see the formation of the DAO that will help decide on the token launch. In addition, the second round of our community distribution has a growth-centric focus with the primary objective attracting new users and enhancing liquidity within the Solana ecosystem. We will reward trading on Jupiter and Solana to incentivize users to trade more actively. You hear that, guys? Start trading. Moreover, we are anticipating the emergence of a new wave of promising ecosystem tokens early next year, and we want to drive as much focus and attention to these tokens as possible. It is crucial that users who are incentivized to start trading on Solana, again, can appreciate the significant strides made by Solana in terms of UX and ecosystem growth. We look forward to experimenting with the community and ecosystem on this. There will also be a locked token sale, guys, but don't worry about that. We are obviously just focused on that airdrop, and you can read all about it in this green paper, which I'll leave linked in the description below. But I found this all for you, so you just didn't have to go searching for it yourself. And it's very important to know that there is a Jupiter Exchange airdrop, guys, because we want to get this token. This could be absolutely astronomically, absolutely fantastically huge. And basically, all you have to do is just do as many transactions, do as much volume as possible, and just make this your #1 exchange when using the Solana network. Simple as. I love Solana, and the great thing is, guys, you can also use Jupiter Exchange just to quickly swap your tokens. Go over to other protocols like MarginFi and go to swap. You'll see that this is also powered by Jupiter, and for example, I can swap my USDC back into Solana, all powered by Jupiter Exchange on MarginFi, which is also doing an airdrop. And then you can even lend out your USDC or Solana within this platform by going to lend. As you can see, I've got USDC here. So if I go to USDC, this was an old airdrop like we showed you at the beginning of this video. I can just click another $6, for example, click supply. And as you can see, I've got a network fee of basically 0 USDC. It's 0.00002 Solana, which is nothing. Click confirm. I had $13 deposited. Now I've got 19, and I've got more points coming my way. Guys, that is the video, my friends, with Jupiter Exchange. I hope that was easy to follow, my friends. If you have any questions whatsoever and you need to know how to use the Jupiter Exchange, or if you've got any issues, I will try my best to help you. But if not, just go over to the bottom left corner and you'll see Discord, X, and other things, and all social links that are official links for Jupiter Exchange. My friends, thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed this video. Try and qualify for the Jupiter Exchange airdrop. It will probably do you many favors. And if you want any other crypto airdrops, whether they're Solana specific airdrops or any other airdrops, you can check out our huge YouTube crypto airdrop guides, which we have over 66 videos to watch, ranging from Zeta Chain to MetaMask to OPBNB to Alio to Avo to Mayan Finance to MarginFi and to Polyhedra and even Phantom and even Layer 0 and so many more. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. And once again, we have an awesome promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at altcryptogems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.